Europe is currently facing a critical question. How can it take the lead in the new era of technology and artificial intelligence while competing with the United States and China? Some of the biggest names in the international tech scene gathered at Panathinaea, an event that aims to establish the Greek capital as a hub for startups, investors, and innovative companies. Among them was Bolt founder Markus Villig, who started in Estonia and went on to build a global transportation giant.
In the US, the daily trading on the stock exchanges is almost 30 times higher than it is in Europe. And it's not because Europeans don't have the money. We just don't have the culture of taking risk, buying equities, and investing the money we have back into accelerating the economy and accelerating the business. So if there's one thing we could do, it's how do we reform that? How do we get a bigger fraction of the pension funds and insurance funds and people investing back in the public markets, back into equities to build the next generation of companies?
A similar message was delivered by Shuo Wang, co-founder of Deel, one of the world's fastest-growing companies in payroll and HR management. She argued that companies aspiring to become leaders must think globally from day one.
If you want to build a really large business, you need to go global very, very early on. So that is very different than 20 years ago or 30 years ago. You start with one region and you expand. Companies tend to start globally since day one.
Despite their different paths, the speakers reached a common conclusion. Europe has the talent, universities, research centers, and significant capital. Yet, it still struggles to turn these advantages into global companies on the scale of those created in the United States.
Το Παναθηναία είναι η μεγάλη γιορτή της επιχειρηματικότητας και της καινοτομίας που φιλοδοξούν να βάλουν την Αθήνα στο χάρτη της ευρωπαϊκής πρωτοπορίας. Φέτος είναι η δεύτερη χρονιά που πραγματοποιείται η διοργάνωση που έχει προσελκύσει πάνω από 10.000 συμμετέχοντες από 60 και πλέον χώρες.